Former President Jacob Zuma's senior counsel Moses Kakane argued that Zuma did not act recklessly and his concerns were justified. The report recommended that Chief Justice appoint a judge to lead a commission of inquiry into state capture. Advocate Kakane argued that the former president took issue with the fact that the remedial action removed the power to appoint the commission's chair from the executive. He contends that this should not attract personal costs as ordered by the High Court in 2018 and that there's nothing wrong with the state footing Zuma's legal bills.
My submission, respectfully, is that it is justified for the president concerned about acting unconstitutionally and spending resources as it happened in the arms deal report. And this one, which has spent R1 billion and it's nowhere near end, is that he was justified in being concerned about starting a process. We know now that this commission, we were told, must be done in 30 days and would take 180 days. We are nowhere near knowing who plundered the state.
The DA and the EFF say Zuma's decision to review the Public Protector's remedial actions caused a delay and abused the state resources. In their submissions, the parties say there was conflict of interest on the part of the president.
First problem with the submission is that it reinforces the conflict of interest rather than eliminate it. Because his concern about the selection of the judge to chair the inquiry simply confirms that he did not want the Chief Justice to be the filter to ensure that there is no perception of a conflict of interest that perpetuates. But most importantly, quite apart from the problem of the reinforcement of the conflict of interest, the problem is that it ignores the full scope of the grounds of review.
And you consider the shift in remedy at the last moment in an apparent attempt to stymie anything happening. That, with respect, demonstrates that this is an abusive process. It is an abusive process by the then president for his personal gain, and it is an abusive process that warranted the cost order that was made.
Judgment is reserved. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.